Hey, what's up with it, y'all? It's the flyest fragrance aficionado here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the coolest fragrance community on YouTube. Remember, Christopher Lee Fragrances cannot happen without you guys. So if you know something, you better hit that button. All right, what's up with it, y'all? So we are doing another before you buy of a fragrance I should have been did. I don't understand what rock I was under. I forgot to do a proper review. The fragrance in hand is Paco Rabanne's 1 Million Prive. As you know, I'm gonna break this review down in 4 categories: the smell, the performance, the occasion, and the final verdict. Let's start off with the smell. Okay, so let's get the elephant out the room. This fragrance is discontinued as of when I dropped this video, okay? Everybody in the fragrance community did not understand why the company Paco Rabanne would discontinue their best smelling fragrance. Now, I get more compliments with 1 Million Parfum, but this was in second place. Everybody knows that Prive was one of the best 1 millions, and we should just march down to their headquarters with our pitchforks and demand them to re-release this. But with that being said, let me get into the smell. This fragrance is a spicy, sweet cinnamon fragrance. Every time I got compliments with it, people always said that I smell like a candy apple. Out of all the spicy, sweet, ambery smelling fragrances, like Spice Bomb Extreme, Stronger With You Intensely, Paco Rabanne 1 Million Prive was the #1 smelling fragrance out of all of them. Everybody and a mama had this fragrance. In the opening, you smell that real clean, like whiskey-esque apple smell, okay? It's not apple, it's a mandarin, okay? So for some reason, that citrus mixed with that cinnamon gives off like a bourbon apple smell, very similar to fragrances like Killian Angel Share, fragrances like Killian's Apple Brandy. Apple Brandy smell very, very close to Prive. So if you kind of still want to smell like Prive, go get that. It smells really good. It gets you compliments. It's great. Let's get into the longevity. Okay, y'all, so because this has cinnamon in it, the longevity of this fragrance is extraordinary. Okay, anytime a fragrance is any bit of spicy, any type of peppery, it's gonna last a long time. The cinnamon in here travels beautifully, mixed with the wood notes inside the dry down. Longevity wise, you are getting absolutely 8 to 12 hours, 8 to 10 hours with this fragrance. Very complex as well. Starts off sweet, it dries down to a more muskier, clean scent. Now let's talk about the occasions you can wear this beautiful, sexy ass fragrance. You can wear this inside fall and winter time for the occasions. I would say date night, you know what I'm saying? I would say anything where you're being seductive. Anytime you're trying to make a girl feel good, this is when you want to spray this fragrance on. Let me go ahead and get into the final verdict. This fragrance right here is a perfect fragrance, okay? This right here is a 10 out of 10. It's a masterpiece. Paco Rabanne, if you are watching this video, can you please bring this fragrance back? It smells so good. It was a bang for the buck because around the time this came out, it was like $105. Everybody grabbed it. It's smelling better than everything that they come out with. Parfum de Marly's cologne ain't got nothing on this. The Killian I just talked about ain't got nothing on this. They probably have a 1 Million Prive clone out there. I don't know yet. I'll have to look into that. But if they do, can you please comment below? Because I'm going to pick that up so I can stop using it. I'm telling you, this is the last I got of this juice. It's my 3rd bottle. And this is all I got left. So I'm not even trying to use it. I sprayed it on my hand just to kind of remember the smell. And I'm so upset I even did that. So I get it's a 10 out of 10. If you find this on eBay, don't even wear it, okay? Wear the cologne fragrance that y'all gonna tell me in the comments. Buy this fragrance and just keep it on your shelf, bro. This fragrance one day is gonna be worth $200, $300, $400 in the future. I love it. It's gonna be around that what's that YSL fragrance, that the Wale De Long, whatever that's called, 2009 version of that fragrance. It's gonna be like this. Blue Electric, that's kind of what Prive is slowly creeping up to. It's gonna be like another YSL Blue Electric because it's discontinued, it's hard to find, and they starting to fake the bottles. They going to China and getting fake bottles, y'all. So y'all gotta be kind of watching out with the batch code. As a matter of fact, let me tell you the batch code I got right here. All right, so the batch code I see right here is 80161. That is the batch code, okay? This is real. If it don't got that batch code, make sure you check the batch codes on the batch code websites just to make sure you got a real bottle. And I'm telling you, this fragrance is long lasting. Them Chinese fragrances they be trying to get from China or whatever the hell, it's gonna smell similar to this, but you can kind of tell it's not gonna be strong and pungent. It has to be strong. If it's not strong, then it's cheap. Take it back, all right? This is how the bottle look, and the batch code is down here. If the batch code not right here, fake bottle, bro. All right, straight up. I'm Big Boss. Thank you for watching. I'm out.